design is all about the costuming actor are necessary to overall effect of the play, along with stage design and lighting. Costumes brings to life the character moving in the world of the play on stage. There are three major purposes of costume. First is creating a character. Costume helps actors find their character when they put these on. Clothing gives the personality of the character, their mode, temperament, and then their position in the play. Creating a character is if you see someone wearing ripped jeans and wearing a t-shirt, you might think they are poor or struggling. But if someone in a fancy suit or dress, you might think they're rich or important. So costume is very important to the same thing in the play. They give us clues about what character, where they live, or what kind of life they have. Second is communicating with given circumstances of the play. Costumes communicate the given circumstances of the play as well as the period and geographical settings. They can even reflect the kind of weather condition of the location of the play. In time period, what kind of the clothes are people wearing? Are they wearing long dresses or breeches or jeans and t-shirt? This helps us understand when the play takes place. That is time period. Second is location, what kind of climate is the play set in. Are the costumes warm and heavy? They are light and breezy. Help us to know the geographical settings. And social classes are the costumes elaborate and expensive or simple and practical. These can tell us about the character's social standing and wealth. The last of the purpose of costume design is support the style of the production. Costume aid the overall design of the play, working collaboratively with the stage and lights. They need to harmonize with the other design elements. The purpose of the style of the production is in a play serves several vital purposes going beyond something dressing the actor, like play a crucial role in supporting the overall design of the production, working in harmony with the stage and lighting. So harmonize is in the costume design means that the costume should work in the complementary aid and visual appealing way with the lighting design of the play. So that's my conclusion of my report. Thank you.